Hello guys, welcome back to the my YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to fix iPhone white screen problem. So there is many method to solve this issue. First is to force restart your iPhone. So press the volume up button, volume down button, and press and hold the power button until Apple logo is appear. Now you can see iPhone is off, and now you can see Apple logo is appear now. Wait for a few seconds. It will take 10 to 15 seconds to turn it on. So guys, if this solution is not working, then we go to another solution. Another solution is to check the software update of your iPhone. So go to the settings, scroll down, tap on general, and now you can see software update. Tap on it to checking for update. So if this solution is not working, then we go to another is to downgrade to the iOS 17 beta 2 to stable version. So I hope this video is helpful for you. If this video is helpful for you, then you subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.